What's up, party people? For today's adventure, we're in Nusa Penida. I'm taking you to some of the best beaches on this island. This isn't one of them, but these are. Check it out. I've been in Bali for roughly 2.5 weeks now. If today is the 7th and I arrived on the 21st and there was only 30 days in the month of March, yeah, I'm too tired to do the math right now, so we're not gonna worry about that. Nusa Penida is one of those places that everybody seems to collectively say, yeah, you can do it in like 2 days. But what I've realized about people that say you can visit everything in a certain place in a short period of time is that they really didn't get to see much of it. When I arrived yesterday, I was tired. I did nothing, I fell asleep early, I got nothing done that I wanted to, even though I had half a day ahead of me to do anything and everything I wanted to explore this wonderful island. I woke up this morning still tired and still trying to resolve this great battle of internal fatigue, and I thought the best idea would be to run 8 miles. It's so hot out, and now I'm even more tired, but I have the endorphins to kind of get me through this. For the first part of today's adventure, we're going to a place called Karang Dawa. It's that really awesome photo point that you see in every single Instagram picture ever. If you thought this bucket list series couldn't get any more basic, get ready for a million mega amp dosage of super basic, super scenic, super awesome, super enviable content coming your way in 3, 2, and... lighting scheme couldn't have turned out any better than it has today. Oh, I gotta keep my hand on the camera. But if not, I've gotten some magnificent footage already. I can't be mad. All right, let's go. This little section of this adventure can be summed up by this clever little sign right here. Despite how beautiful and scenic this whole amazing bit of scenery is that it is a highly treacherous climb. I mean, look at all that. And I still have to climb all of that to get down to the beach. I started right up there, and I somehow still have to get all the way from here down there. Oh, do you know I made it? Just barely. Turns out I took a wrong turn right at Albuquerque. There's this little path right over here, but I made it instead of just careening right off that little ledge. That's all groovy. All right, the sun's almost down. Let's see if we can get the drone up. In the last 2 days, I've only really explored the east side, and that is kind of a testament to how little you can actually do in a short amount of time here. Mostly because it takes an upwards of an hour or so to get anywhere on this island, just because of how underdeveloped the roads are. There's a few bits where, you know, you're just reduced to like 5 miles an hour just so you don't, you know, crash into a pothole or off the side of the road. These roads are absolutely... I'm not entirely sure how I didn't slash any tires on my motorbike, but there are chickens all over the road. There's, you know, craters and potholes, and it just kind of looks like it was in this big asteroid storm. And seriously, like, how am I supposed to get my motorbike through this all the way up there? I gotta say it was a workout, because my arms feel like they just went through a 12-hour jazzercise class. But we're not here to complain about how painful this place can be. guys doing? Good? Steep? I love any beach that you have to use a rope to climb down to get to. Funny thing is, this is probably one of the easier climbs to any scenic beach on this island. If you're into burning a few calories, you're in luck. Is it everything you imagine?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Oh God, I love that color. Woo! It's not even clear. That's the weird thing about it. It's like the minerals have just like done something to the water.
It's the color of cobalt or a glacier.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a better description. We'll go with that one. Listen, if you can come up with a better SAT word to describe a place like this, please be my guest and leave it in the comment section below. Like any of Nusa Penida's amazing beaches, this one is also not for the faint of heart. You have to go down a pretty steep path of stairs, which I will admit are the best maintained out of any of the treacherous, beautiful beach staircases that you have to use to get down to any of these locations. If you ever come down here, give yourself plenty of time. Plenty of time to drive, to rest, and to just enjoy every little thing around you. Between the dangerous climbs and the bad roads, I promise you, every little thing you'll see here is worth it. Alright, the high tide's coming, so I gotta move my camera. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!